Hello everyone, welcome to CodeSpace. In this video, we are going to learn about two new data structures that are stacks and queues. Stacks and queues are two linear data structures in which we can apply the following operations. On both stacks and queues, we can apply pop, push, top, and empty operations. Pop operation is used to remove an element from the data structure. Like in the case of stacks follows first in lost in first out principle. Stack is similar to a bucket in which one side is open and the other side is closed. Now the element can only enter from the open side and can only be removed from the open side. Only one way to enter and as well as exist. In the pop operation, the element which has entered into the queue in the last will be removed. Whereas in the queue follows first in first out principle. It means the element which has entered first into the queue will be removed on the pop operation. The element which has entered into the queue first will be removed on pop operation. Now let's take an example stack with elements 3, 2, 4. Then the pop operation on the stack will remove the element 3 from the stack. Then the size of the stack becomes 2. Here, the pop operation will remove 3 from the stack. Push is an operation which takes an element as an argument. Let's give an 8. Then 8 will be added into the stack. Into the stack. Top top function returns the top element of the stack, current top element of the stack. Empty function will return true if the current size of the stack is 0, that is the stack is empty. Similarly, pop function in queue will remove the top element from the queue. As I said that the queue follows first in first out. If we take an example queue with elements 3, 2, 4, on pop operation the element 4 will be removed from the queue as it entered into the queue first. Removes 4. Top function will return the value of top element of the queue. In this case, top will return value 4. In the other words, top will return the current top element of the queue, and finally empty. As in the case of stack, here also empty will return true if the size of the queue is 0, that is the queue is empty. Returns true. Now let's write a simple code of traversing a stack in CPP. In CPP, we can create a stack, then we can insert elements into the stack using push function. Now, once the required elements is pushed into the stack, now you can traverse the stack by using a while loop, while stack not empty or out stack dot top of st dot pop off. Now, this while condition like not stack dot empty of, if the stack is empty, st dot empty of will return true. Now, if we apply a not operation on the true, it become false. It means the condition is failed. So the while loop terminates as the stack will become empty and ends up printing the values of the stack. In the same way, we can also declare a queue and insert values using push. And once we inserted all the values, we can traverse the queue using the same while loop with same condition q dot empty of. But in this case, we print q dot top and q dot pop off. Let's take an example stack and print the output of this code. If we have a stack with values 3, 2, and 4, this code is going to return, like it will print the elements in this order. First it will print 3, then after 2, and then 4. Whereas if we have a queue with the same elements 3 to 4, this code will print the elements in the order 4 to 3. This is because queue follows first in first out, whereas the stack follows last in first out.
That's all for today. Thank you for watching.